Hey guys, good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Fabio here. Hope you had a great weekend. I did. Max Verstappen won the Formula 1 Dutch Grand Prix, so that was always good to see. Furthermore, still in two trades, which I've been holding over the weekend. So let's dive into the markets and see what is going on. Okay guys, so to begin with, of course, the dollar index, and the dollar index is currently situated within my area of demand within the market. And yeah, as we can see, as we moved in towards this area of demand, in towards this gray zone or gray box, we did start to see some deceleration within the market. Furthermore, if we look at the 1 hour time frame, or the 4 hour might be better to see, what we can see is that we are currently situated within this descending wedge. So descending wedges are bullish and are likely to break out at a certain point in time. So I am looking to see if the dollar index could push up higher at a certain point within the near future. For me, it is still looking very choppy, and today is a US bank holiday, so not expecting too much from the market. But yeah, what we might see is potentially a double bottom, then start moving up, or we could just start breaking out at a certain point in the near future. To be honest, just a waiting game. Hope we can break out soon, back up in towards the highs, see some sort of a daily pullback, back up in towards this level over here, 92.830, before then, for instance, heading back down, because of course we have now created a new lower low in comparison to this low over here. So that's pretty much it, to be honest. Just going to be waiting for a push up higher before taking a short on the dollar index. In the meantime, we could still push down lower, as we have seen bearish closes last week all week. Weekly candle of last week was also very strong bearish. So yeah, let's just wait and see what is going to be going on. A pullback on the dollar index would be nice also for my pound dollar trade, but let's see. For now, it's just a waiting game, like I already said. So with that said, let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar, to begin with, of course, what we are currently seeing is an overextended move in towards the highs over here. We have now reached my level, and as you guys can see, as soon as we reached my level, we did start rejecting it. So it was that level of 0.74609, as we can see, never closed above or failed to close above, and we started tanking back down. So I am looking for a nice pullback on this pair to start forming. Doesn't need to happen from where we currently are situated within the market. We could still move up a little bit higher, up in towards 0.75230, but in my opinion, a pullback is near. And once we see that pullback occur, I will be looking at 0.72752, and if we see a very deep pullback, I will be looking at that level even lower, of 0.71451. But yeah, I'm not really interested in that level, to be honest. I don't think that we will get that deep. Weekly candle is looking extremely bullish, but a nice weekly pullback would be lovely to see. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Got a lot of resistance on Aussie dollar from these levels, which I've pointed out on my chart, so let's keep an eye on them and see if we can see that pullback occur. So with that said, let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar, guys, so euro dollar is also within my zone. All the dollar pairs are essentially in my zones. So yeah, this could be a week full of pullbacks, but let's see. Euro dollar is looking good for a pullback at the moment. Looking at the 4 hour, we just have this really extremely overextended choppy move in towards the highs. Not really tradable in my opinion, just an ascending channel, and we're just waiting for it to break out. So the current region where we are currently situated with price is a region for a potential pullback in my opinion, as there is a lot of liquidity situated over here. But yeah, it could also happen from this region up above at 1.19313 up to 1.19753. That could also be our pullback region. This is of course the stronger region than this region, but yeah, after such an overextended move, I do expect a pullback. But yeah, let's see. If we do move up higher, I do still expect a nice pullback to occur, and then we will just take shorts on euro dollar from that zone up above. So yeah, that's that for euro dollar. Let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar, so as you guys know, I am currently situated in pound dollar shorts. You're just going to be waiting for it to push down lower. I am expecting more downside from this pair. So let's see, nice rejection on the daily candle close of my liquidity. So yeah, for now, just going to be waiting for pound dollar to push down lower after this overextended move in towards the highs. Furthermore, if we just look at the overall move, I love the corrective price action that we were seeing in towards liquidity. And if we were to draw in, let's say, a fib from the swing high down towards the swing low, you can see that we do have that 618 fib retracement where we are currently situated at. So let's see, waiting game for now, but I am expecting more downside from pound dollar. So that's that. Let's head over to our next pair, which is Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar also perfectly rejecting my area of liquidity, 71,606. It's also kind of like a swing high, as we can see, nice fake out on that high before moving down lower. So after this massive overextended move on Kiwi dollar, mainly caused by fundamentals, I am looking for a nice pullback trade. But yeah, it is kind of hard in these kind of situations to trade Kiwi dollar, as there isn't real clear structure. For instance, we don't have a real clear, let's say, higher low, which we want to see broken before then taking a retest of that higher low, because it's more just one big consolidation impulsive move in towards the highs without any clear higher lows, right? So in these kind of situations, I just prefer to stay out until we form some more clear structure in the form of, let's say, a nice wedge channel, and then you can view that start of the wedge as a nice higher low, and then once that higher low gets broken, then you can start looking for trades. But at the moment, taking a trade on Kiwi dollar is just very risky, mainly due to the structure that we are currently seeing. So therefore, I would prefer to stay out of Kiwi dollar and, for instance, focus a little bit more on, let's say, Euro dollar. But yeah, still, it is looking good for that pullback. And once we do see that pullback occur, and let's say we do not see an entry, I will be looking for longs from 0.69717. So yeah, we could still move up higher. These are my levels, which I am looking for rejection, and from where we could start seeing a pullback occur as well. So let's head over to our last pair, which is gold. And gold, guys, so gold saw a bullish daily close on Friday. Looking at gold, we exactly tapped that 1834 level, just missed the fake out on the high, so it could still start moving up higher. As we can see, after a major area of consolidation, you see those big moves occur within the market. So just remember yourself the next time that you see like these large areas of consolidation, that you can expect a massive move afterwards. So if you just look at these areas, and for instance over here, you can see large area of consolidation, big move, large area of consolidation, big move, large area of consolidation, big move. And then remember, if we just were to take the last imbalance candle, so for instance over here, and draw it from wick to wick, you get those beautiful zones from where we see those pinpoint entries occur from. Yeah, so try and focus on that, and then you can really start seeing those sniper entries occur within the near future. Or for instance over here, remember, wick to wick, area of consolidation, rally, base, drop, wick to wick, price wicks in and drops straight out again. As well over here, from wick to wick, you guys see it happens everywhere. So just try and focus on those areas of consolidation, to spot those potential reversal areas. So what are we expecting from gold? Well, we could still see a push up higher, in my opinion. We are seeing corrective price action in towards the highs, but I would love to see a fake out at least on that swing high before anticipating any potential shorts. Let's say we do move up higher, 1858 is going to be my region for some real shorts. But I'm personally just staying out of gold until after the bank holiday, so I will be looking better at gold once it is Tuesday. So yeah guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to contact me through Discord. Wish you all an amazing day, and let's stay in touch. Thanks guys.